Hi, I'm going to do a real quick little demo video on how I came about cutting buttons or beans out for tuners. There's a discussion we've had on the lutherscommunity.org, and this is in response to that in a way that I came up. It's pretty simple for cutting the shape out. If you visit their website, you'll see other ways of putting on the curved radius that you could do, but this is just to show you guys a real easy, quick method to come up with to cut the bean out itself. When I first made my bean routing template, I had taken the bean and tacked it down with 2 brads. I drilled the bean, and the 2 brads that you see stick up, I drove all the way down flush, and I lined the bean template up first with the number 21 drill that's in the hole. Then I placed another board on top of it. That allowed my router a bed to ride on when I rode around and routed it out. Then I just installed a 5/16 OD collar and an 1/8 inch downcut bit into my plunge router, and I routed out around the bean, and that's how I formed my routing template. Then I made a set of jaws for my vise. Just machined the groove out, put a couple mounting pins that I locate my template off of, and they're just mounted to there. And then I took the other set of jaws, and I drilled some holes in counterboard for some springs, some brass pins that fit in there, so that when I close my vise, it'll spring back open. Okay, then I have a piece of, this is a sample stock. It's I think it's 5/8 by 5/16. This is just some sepale. That'll fit in here. And then my router template locates over the pins. Oh, this way. There you go. And just tighten the vise down. Then I'll take my plunge router, still with the 5/16 OD collar on the 1/8 inch bit, and I'll route out around the template, and that'll form my bean. Alright, then I'll just route out my plunge router. I have its routers on a foot switch, and I just clean that out, that dust, real quick. Loosen the vise, advance it 1 inch, tighten down, route again. Okay, I would do just continue to maybe 6 of those. And as you can see, the depth of the cut is it's a 1/4 inch, and it's leaves me with 16 backing. And then I'll just take it over to the saw and cut the beans out. Then I got the makeshift fence real quick with a blade set on it, and UHMW block that's used for a featherboard, and the piece will go right in there, and I'll push it through and it'll cut off that edge, cut the bean off, and hopefully get sucked over into the, I got a piece of mesh over my vacuum hose here, and hopefully it'll suck the button into there. I haven't tried that yet, so we'll see if that works too. And there you have them. Cut the shape. Whoop. Now you just make now you just put the other color on the inlay kit, and you can make a negative and make some kind of little vise to clamp them in, and to sand the profile on it in your sander, like the other guys did on the website. But it's basically just like making a Dutchman for a wood piece with the inlay kit. Simple and easy to cut.